On Monday, I'm going to go to the actual problem in the book and do parts of that because I haven't actually done 5.2 in the book yet. And I'm going to have them focus on the rules again and pull it from there and look at, I want to pull a to the 0 out of the division. Like, what if I have 4 to the 3rd divided by 4 to the 3rd? Following our rule, we'd have 4 to the 0. And well, if I have the same number divided by itself, I'll have 1. And then I also take them back to the powers table also, because another pattern that the kids wrote about a lot in their poster, it almost seems like, of course that's there, but they still felt they needed to write, where they wrote going down the 2 column. It would be times 2, times 2, times 2. Well, then I'll look at, what if we went backwards? And we would divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. What if we added that 0 in there? And we do that for several, and they'll also see that they all end up as, if the exponent is 0, it's 1. So I'll bring both of those up on Monday.
Will you push into negative exponents?
Yes, that came up today, and I pushed for that a little bit today because earlier in the week it had already come up. The kids had written equations with to the negative x power, and they knew it was working, but they couldn't quite understand why it was making it decay. And so when it came out today, if I had like 4 to the 3rd divided by 4 to the 5th, and I end up with 4 to the negative 2, then we looked at that and how we'd have this decimal and why is that. And so it kind of came out today and they started playing with it, but I'll push it more next week also.